Hi friends, hope you people doing good. I hope that all people safe from coronavirus, and most of the people thinking that this lockdown period is very wasteful to them. But don't think like that. This lockdown is helpful to us to save from coronavirus. Coronavirus is very dangerous virus which is spread very fast and totally worldwide. So lockdown is conducted in our state and our country and also other countries. Lockdown is meant to prevent the spread of infection from one person to another person to protect ourselves and others. Lockdown, the only one thing to do, don't go outside. No one can come outside from the house. So precautions, so we should follow some precautions for not to attack the virus fastly. They are: wash our hands often with soap at least 20 seconds, especially before we eating the food. In this period, we take only nutritious food like vegetables, fruits, etc. We compulsory maintain the social distance. We must and should wear the mask and gloves etc. to protect ourselves from coronavirus. If you have health problem, you must and should consult the doctor and also stay home when you are sick. Avoid close contact and we must and should clean our surroundings. And every must and should avoid take the shake hand with others. And every country is full of busy with lockdown. No work will going on and no work will not happening on. No imports and no exports are going on. We should not buy or sell anything at outside. If even it is very important thing, we should not buy or sell. We drink only hot water. If we drink only hot water, it is better to our health. So drink hot water. We should take nutritious food. If we take nutritious food, it gives us, it helps us to not attack the diseases very fastly. If you have buy or sell anything at outside, we should dry the money at sunrise. Finally, I want to tell you one thing. We all salute the doctors, police, municipality officers, etc. who are protect us with coronavirus. Don't go outside, stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching. This is Chandralekha.